Here comes the first player, Super Rogie! Yeah! This is fun!
Is that it? Here comes Tayo the bus! Yeah! Hooray! I am scared. I don't think I could go. Oh, Jesus. This is very much like bowling. Tayo! Rogie! Why are you guys lying down there? Oh, I am dizzy. Lonnie's head is like a rock. Bonehead? Is that a compliment? Thanks!
Guys, here you are.
Pat? What's going on?
Did you guys see a penguin around here by any chance?
What? Penguin? There is no penguin on the playground.
A penguin escaped from a zoo a while ago. It's a scary dude.
It's a scary penguin? Whatever.
You know that penguin is not an ordinary penguin. It's a KungFu Penguin.
What a lovely day! Today I've prepared fish full of omega-3. It's time to eat! You naughty boy! You hid somewhere again. Where are you, darling? Huh? No way! There's a hole in the cave! He broke the wall and escaped! I gotta call the police! Pat! Pat!
That's what happened.
A panda might do it, but a penguin can't do kung fu.
That penguin is a very scary dude. Anyway, if you ever run into him, you gotta call the police right away.
Don't worry, we'll catch him. You're pretty good at Kung Fu, right, Tayo?
Of course! I am more worried about you guys than the penguin. Then why don't you get out? We're gonna become heroes if we catch that penguin.
Lonnie is definitely the best. Lonnie is a hero of this city.
Pat, I'll get it. I am gonna become a hero. I'm back. We're back. Huh? Is that the Kung Fu Penguin Pat talked about? I am scared. He doesn't look that strong.
I know, you're much bigger.
Guys, Pat told us to call the police right away. Police? What police? I can become a hero if I get him. We're gonna get him first. Gani, I am gonna get rid of you first if you call the police. Kung Fu Penguin! I'm here to get you! The penguin disappeared! The penguin went to the gas station! Oh, the penguin's too fast! Hey you! Stop moving!
Operating system error.
He is so annoying! Huh? The penguin went to the car wash.
Shh! Be quiet!
I'll take the backside. The penguin feels so smooth.
This feels weird. Whoa. Never had this feeling before.
It was Rogie.
I can't believe Lonnie stole my kiss.
What? What are you talking about? Get off my face!